see. And since I did the axle swap, I figured I'll convert it to a one-piece drive shaft as well, with an extended cab S10 that requires you to clearance the floor. So that's my drive shaft right there, and it works good. I had to cut a lot out to get it to clear though. That's out of a Suburban I had to shorten for the truck. I got my dashboard back in, my tachometer installed. Basically, for just to finish up the interior, all I gotta do is screw this shift boot down and maybe tuck the ECU back up where it goes. We're still having a few issues with it, like the axle likes to hop. That's mainly because the rear shocks are bad and my U-bolts are bad, so I'm going to replace all that. I might add some traction bars at the same time. We shall see on that. And I picked up a new motor for it. It's a 350 from a 99 Tahoe, so it has Vortec heads. Needs to be rebuilt though, so that's going to come later. It's going to be a lot of money. Should be out drifting here in a month or two. I want to really dial everything. I want to really get everything dialed before we try drifting it, because seat time is good, shop time isn't. I'd rather be driving the truck than working on it, you know. I got to get it all done first, so.